If your name is Lata, then how would you spell it in English? If your answer is this, then you are a non-South Indian. And if your answer is this, then you are a South Indian. When I was working in Bangalore, we used to get mails from HR departments with this name. And honestly, it took me so much time to figure out that the person's name is Lata. And that started my curiosity of finding this extra H in the South Indian names of my colleagues. And I used to wonder why they are adding this H. So one day I finally got my answer from another colleague, and the answer was very interesting. So, of course, this H doesn't appear anywhere. It's associated with mostly T and D. And the reason for its presence there is to distinguish between the pronunciation of T and T, between the and the. And it's used for common names only. So if your name has the in it, then while spelling it in English, it would be paired with H to specify that it's the, otherwise it's T. Like my teammates Anant and Tanuja would spell their names like this. Or names like Aditi, Aarti, Mitali would be spelled like this. Similarly, it goes with the and the. If your name has the, it would be paired with H, otherwise it would be the. And this is why they would also mispronounce my name cause it has H in it. And I would be like, it's there for a reason. It's Mugdha, not Mugdha. And that led my curiosity to another question. What about the th and the? Do these languages not have these letters in their Varnamala? Because I've always heard Arashwin speaking in Hindi, like, mera Hindi thoda acha nahi hai. So I dug in more here and found something very interesting again. So the Dravidian languages do have these aspirated consonants which are called as Mahaprana, but it has an exception. So the languages Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam do have th and dh in their Varnamala and in scripts. But while speaking informally, they generally drop these consonants and stick to the softer ones like t and t. The exception here is Tamil, where they actually don't have these aspirated consonants in their Varnamala itself. That's why we hear them saying toda toda. And they even have different rules for pronouncing these loan words. So this makes me believe that this pairing of H with T and D to distinguish between T and T comes from the domination of Tamil. Please tell me whatever information I have gathered is correct or not. To some of my South Indian followers, if you feel otherwise, please comment down what is the reason behind it. To everyone, send it to all the people who get confused between the spellings and tell them why they are spelled like this. And a reminder to every Indian out there about how rich our languages are, because English clearly lacks in spelling all our Indian names in the correct way.